yourself. Raksha, unmute yourself. Raksha. Now it's visible to you all. Lakshita, unmute
Yes,
yourself. Is it visible to you all? The screen is
yes,
sharing to
ma'am.
you. First question, write the answer in a chat box, okay? All
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
give the answer in yes or no, okay? Vitamins and minerals help in healing damaged skin. True or false?
False.
Yes, Sonakshi. Correct answer is false because in healing में कौन सा help करता है? Protein helps in healing damaged
False.
skin. Okay, so the correct answer is false.
False.
Yes, yes. Food that contain protein increase water. Food that contain protein increase water content or provide strength to build body. हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रेंथ देता है या वाटर कंटेंट को इंक्रीज करता है? Yes, tell me. Protein is a body building
Increase
food
water.
content or provide strength to build body to build body to build body. Yes,
Provide
correct answer.
strength.
Provide strength as
Provide
protein.
strength to build body.
Yes, protein is a bodybuilding food. That's why the correct answer is provide strength to build body.
Body.
Yes, apples are rich in fiber or carbohydrate. Samia, unmute yourself. Give the answer. Anshu, where
Carbohydrate.
are you looking, beta? Fold your arms, set it straight. Anshu, Anshu, Anshu. Yes, give the answer, beta. What is the correct answer? Apples are rich in fiber or carbohydrates? Correct answer, Sid. Unmute yourself. Give the answer in a chat box.
Ma'am, fiber. Ma'am, fiber.
Yes. Correct answer is fiber.
Fiber.
Correct answer is fiber. Write down the answer in your copy. I will share these questions, okay, in the form of PDF. Write the answer in your copy, and you have to note down this question in your copy and write down the answer. This you have to fare in your science copy also. Bread is a good source of dash carbohydrate. Dakshraj, give me the answer. Mute yourself. Dakshraj.
Carbohydrate.
Yes, correct answer is carbohydrates. Who has given the answer?
Ma'am, Lakshita.
Lakshita. Mute yourself, Lakshita. Now, other one also have to give the answer. Okay. Dash is the term given for the combination of things we eat. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? What we eat over there? Diet or brunch?
क्या है क्वेश्चन पढ़ ले समझ ले फिर आंसर देगा.
Who has a problem? Dash is the term given for the combination of things. The food we eat in a day is known as? The food that we eat in a day, in the breakfast, in the lunch or the dinner, is known as? The same answer will be there also, here also. Samar Singh Rathore, Adiba Ashraf, unmute yourself. Yes, beta. What is the correct answer? Dash is the term given for the combination of things we eat.
Diet.
Yes, correct answer is diet. Yes. Fats are foods that store dash body, water or energy. Yes, Lakshita, correct answer is diet. Fats are food that are stored in the body. Who wants to give the answer?
Energy.
Fats are foods that store energy in the body. ठीक है, फैट्स वो फूड होता है जो हमारी बॉडी में एनर्जी स्टोर, जब हम खाना नहीं खाते हैं या किसी वजह से हम प्रॉपर फूड नहीं ले पाते, तो यही स्टोर फूड है जो हमें एनर्जी देता है. ओके, so this is the correct answer. Dash are food that mainly store energy in the body. तो बॉडी में एनर्जी स्टोर करता है. Dash are the food that mainly store energy in the food. Correct answer is fat. Answer, yes. Is good source of fat cheese or rice? Out of cheese and rice, which one is a good source of fat? Sanvi, Vedanshi, yourself. Vedanshi, yes, beta. Out of cheese and rice, which is a good source of fat? Good source of fat क्या है? चीज और राइस में से?
Cheese.
Yes, correct answer is cheese. Now question number 9. Ron needs fat to gain energy. Which of the following must he eat? Ron को एनर्जी गेन करना है तो उसको इनमें से Ron needs fast to gain energy. Which of the following must he eat? रॉन को बहुत जल्दी एनर्जी चाहिए तो इनमें से उसको क्या खाना चाहिए? डार्क एंड चॉकलेट और स्ट्रॉबेरी. Yes, Devankar, correct. Dark chocolate. Here is a fast, not fat. Ron needs fast to get energy. Which of the following must he eat? Manvi had rice and paneer along with some salad. Is it a balanced diet? मानवी राइस और पनीर खा रही है, उसके साथ सैलेड भी है. इज इट अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट?
No.
यस, करेक्ट आंसर इज यस.
Yes.
Rice, carbohydrate is there, protein is there, salad, roughage is also there. Okay, so not balanced diet, so the correct answer is no. Carbohydrate है, protein है, salad is a roughage है, but the fats and other nutrients are not present, so the answer is no. Yes. Manav goes every day is eat food and watch TV. मानव जो है वो हमेशा जो खाना खाता है वो टीवी वॉच करते हुए खाता है. आर हिज हैबिट हेल्दी? क्या ये हेल्दी हैबिट है?
No.
नो. करेक्ट आंसर इज नो. नाउ टेक आउट योर बुक, ओपन योर चैप्टर 5 एक्सरसाइज. Before that, we will try to solve this puzzle. This is a puzzle. First, I have given you the homework now. to make a chart of functions of vitamins and importance of vitamins. मैंने आप लोगों को चार्ट बनाने के लिए दिया था. Now open page number 51. Page number 51. Open your book. Page number 51. It is a open book. You have a book, but you have to give the answer from the book. Okay. Kartavya, start your video. All of you have switched. Start your video, all of you. Start your video. Yes, first is across. Across means left to right. Okay. And up to down. Okay. So first is 1. 1 is here. You have to fill these boxes. Eyesight and healthy skin. What will be the correct answer? Which vitamin?
Vitamin A.
Which vitamin is good for the eyesight? Yes, correct answer is vitamin. Okay. Correct answer is vitamin A. Yes, Bhumi Soni, what happened? Do you want to say anything? Yes. Second is here. From left to right, we have to fill it. And the question? Growth and nervous system. Which vitamins helps in growth and nervous system? Yes, give the answer fast. Vitamin? No, incorrect. Vitamin D is not a correct answer. Which vitamins help in the growth and proper functioning of nervous system? Correct answer, yes, Adiba. Vitamin B. Vitamin B, yes. So we have to fill over here vitamin B. In this column, we have to fill vitamin B. Now, third, gums and healing of wounds. Which vitamins help?
Vitamin C.
For the cold, gums and healing of wounds. Which helps?
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C. Yes. Correct answer is vitamin C. Good.
Help the body to get rid of.
All of you try to give the answer. Yes, Devankar, correct answer. Sonakshi, yes, correct. Correct. Now,
Growth.
5, 6. The column 6. Yes. 6 from up to down. And the question is, help blood to clot. Yes, Sid, speak, unmute yourself. Which vitamins help? Unmute yourself. Yes.
And vitamin K.
Vitamin?
Vitamin K.
Yes, correct answer is vitamin K. Okay. Now 7, helps in digestion and regulates blood body temperature. क्या है जो डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है साथ ही साथ बॉडी टेम्परेचर को रेगुलेट करता है? हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स आर देयर? डाउन वी हैव टू फिल. Where is 7? 5.
Vitamin D. D.
Which helps in digestion and regulates water temperature. Sorry, regulate body.
Not B. Vitamin B.
No, it's not a vitamin beta. It's not a nutrient also, and it's not a vitamin also. Yes, Dakshraj, give the answer. Dakshraj, what you are doing? Unmute yourself and give the answer. Yes.
Ma'am, water.
Yes, correct is water. Now 8 helps the body to get rid of undigested food. Helps the body to get rid of undigested food. 8. It's not a vitamin. Divankar, Anshu, try to give the answer. Yes.
Roughage.
Yes, correct. Correct answer is roughage. Good. Now 9. Make healthy bones, muscles, and we have to fill 9.
Vitamin D.
No, it's not a vitamin. It's not a type of vitamin. Make healthy bones, muscles, and teeth. It's a mineral.
Calcium.
Yes, correct answer is calcium.
Calcium.
Answer is calcium.
Calcium.
Now 10. Protect us from diseases and infection. Protect us from diseases and infections. Yes, Kartavya, give the answer. Unmute yourself. Kartavya. Yes, give the answer. Protect us from diseases and infection. ये vitamin types of vitamin नहीं है, तो what will come over here? It's not a type of vitamins. What will be the answer? Protect us from diseases and infections. Which food is known as protective food? Yes, tell me. Which food is known as protective food? Which protect us from diseases and infections? Vitamins. The correct answer is vitamins. Okay. In 10th, the correct answer is vitamins. 11, provide energy. 11, you can see it's not a type of vitamins. 11, from here to here we have to fill it. So what will be the correct answer? Which nutrients provide energy? Swani Meena, answer beta. Swani Meena, why you are playing? Swani Meena, unmute yourself and try to give the answer. Which food nutrients provide us energy? Unmute yourself.
Fat.
Charu. Yes.
Fat.
What is the correct answer?
Fat.
Which nutrients provide us energy?
Carbohydrate.
Yes, correct answer is carbohydrate. Yes, Charu, give the answer. Which nutrient provides energy?
Ma'am, carbohydrate.
Yes, correct answer is carbohydrate. Now, help in repair and growth of our body parts. 12. Just a second. Where is 12? Yes, from up to go. So what will be the answer? Help in repair and growth of our body parts. Which nutrients?
Protein.
Yes, who has given the answer?
Ma'am,
Tell me your
protein.
name. Yes, who has given the answer? Tell me your name. Not there in the class.
Protein.
Part. Yes, correct answer is protein. Correct answer is protein. Who is he? ये क्वेश्चन मार्क के साथ किसने एंटर किया है? Rename yourself. Okay, Parth. Start your video, Parth. Parth, start your video now. We have done the exercise in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
We did
No,
now.
ma'am.
Class? No.
Yes,
Exercise. Dash is a carbohydrate gives instant energy.
ma'am, please send the PDF of exercise.
I will send you, beta. First, try to give the answer. What will be the answer? Dash a carbohydrate give instant energy. I think I in the first answer is, what will be the answer? Write your answer in the chat box. Sonakshi, good.
Answer.
Good. First answer is glucose. Write in your book. Glucose. Correct answer, glucose. Yes, Vedanshi, good. Part your video. Second, dash are required for growth and repair of the body.
Ma'am, what
Yes,
is the
tell
second?
me. Dash are required for growth and repair of the body. Tell me. Yes, protein. Vedanshi, good. Sonakshi, good. Divankar, yes, good. Second answer is protein. Fat contains the amount of energy as carbohydrates. Fats contains twice. Yes, correct answer is twice the amount of energy as carbohydrates. Yes.
Ma'am, what is
Answer
the third answer?
third answer. Give me a 1 minute. I'm sharing a whiteboard.
बंद हो जाएगा लैपटॉप में कैसे बोलोगे कि लैपटॉप बंद हो गया
इससे कैसे होगा? ठीक है, बट तुम जो रख रहे हो वो से कंफर्टेबल नहीं है ना.
और हो जाएगा इसके साथ
Yes. First answer is glucose. Second, protein. Write down in your book. Third, twice. Fourth, dash is for clotting of blood. Which vitamin?
Vitamin
Yes.
K.
Yes, correct answer is vitamin K. Dash is present in hemoglobin which carries oxygen.
Iron.
Yes, Ankur. Yes, yes. Iron. Okay. Question number A. Question B. Lemon is rich source of vitamin A. True or false? Yes, false. Why?
False.
Lemon is rich in. Yes, tell me. Why it is false? Because lemon is rich in vitamin C.
C.
Okay. So correct. First answer is second. Calcium is required for strong bones, teeth, and muscles. True or false? Yes,
True.
Adiba. True. Why? To rest of you all give the answer. Write down in your book as well. Which book? Science book, Vansh. In your science book, exercise, page number 54. Where you are? Vansh Ramnani. Question, Vansh Ramnani, open your book, page number 54 and 55. You have to fill the answer in the book. Question number third, vitamin A, D, E, K are water soluble vitamins. It is false because it is a fat soluble. Now, water helps in the transport of substances within the body. Yes, true. Divankar, transportation of substances in the body. Yes, water helps करता है ना? True. The correct answer is true.
Ma'am, question number 4.
Question number 4 I left. Okay. Just a second, beta. Question number 5 is question number 4. Vitamin D keeps the skin healthy. True or false? Yes, false. What is the importance of vitamin D? Why it is false? Yes, Ariba. Divankar, it is false. Yes, Vedanshi, it is false. But why it is false? Give the reason. Because it makes us strong and it makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay. Question number C. First, which of the following is not a nutrient of food? Out of 4, fat, carbohydrate, roughage, and protein. Out of this, yes, correct answer is C. That is roughage. Second, it is an energy giving food: potato, onion, carrot, and fish. The correct answer is what? Potato. Yes. 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 Correct answer is A option, and that is potato. Rich in which food nutrients? Potato is rich in which food nutrients?
Carbohydrate.
Yes, give me. Yes, correct answer is carbohydrate. This is the richest source of vitamin C.
Gooseberry.
Milk, egg, gooseberry, and butter. What we call gooseberry in Hindi? In the common language, what we call gooseberry? Yes, tell me. Nobody? Yes, correct answer is amla. Yes. Gooseberry. Okay. Fourth, to keep bones and teeth healthy, we should drink
Milk.
Yes, yes, correct answer is milk. Water remove waste. Water remove waste in the form of urine and
Sweat.
sweat. Yes, pasina, है ना? The correct answer of objective type questions. Chapter 5, food and health. Now we have to move answers. Question number D. Those who wants to give the answer, please raise your hands, okay? Or you may write in a chat box. Yes, Dakshraj, unmute yourself. Yes. What are nutrients? Name different nutrients. Dakshraj, give the answer. What are the nutrients? Name different nutrients. Give me the answer only. What are the nutrients?
What are nutrients?
Yes.
Ma'am, nutrients
What
are substance.
Yes.
Substance.
Special substances. Yes.
Help
Try.
our body to grow.
Help our
That
body
help.
to grow. Yes. Yes, good tried. Yes, Sonakshi, unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Ma'am.
Sonakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Yeah, speak. Give the answer.
First question. Ma'am, question.
Yes.
Ma'am, food as
Question
special.
number 1.
Ma'am, food as
Yes.
special substances for nutrition. There are 5 main nutrients: carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, vitamins, and minerals.
Yes. So the correct answer is special substances present in food that are needed for the healthy growth, development, and proper functioning of our body. Okay. That are present in our is called, yes. Samar Singh Rathor, unmute yourself. Samar Singh. Yes, Samar Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are the different nutrients? What are the different nutrients? 5 different nutrients. कौन से?
Amino.
Yes, Adiba. Let give the chance to someone else. Ujjwal. Answer. Yes, Adiba. Give the answer. Yes, Charu. Unmute yourself. Charu.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
give the answer. Yeah, give the
Ma'am,
answer.
food is special substance for nutrition. There are 5 main nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals.
Good. Yes, good. Now come to the next question. How are carbohydrate and fats useful to us?
Excuse
Carbohydrate
me,
and
ma'am.
fats हमारे, yes,
Ma'am, answer one is that
yes. Now second question. How the carbohydrates and fat useful for us? Who wants to give the answer? Raise your hand. Charu. Samar Singh. Yes. Unmute yourself. Samar. Yes, Samar, give the answer. How carbohydrates and fats useful for us? Dakshraj, sit properly. Dakshraj. Dakshraj. Sit properly, beta. Hold your arms. Parth, where you are? Give the answer. Bhumi. Unmute yourself, Bhumi. Bhumi. No one else. Yes, give the answer. Yes, Adiba.
Carbohydrates provide energy to the body and are therefore called energy-getting food.
Yes. How they are useful for us? And fat, बंद कर. Yes, carbohydrate and fats both are energy giving food, but know that the fat also help to
Right.
maintain our body temperature. It keeps our body warm. हमारी body को गर्म भी रखता है, ठीक है? Carbohydrate and fats are useful for us as they gives us energy and help to make food tasty. साथ ही साथ ये क्या करता है? Vedansi, yes, good. Carbohydrate, protein, energy to the body are for card energy giving food. Fat are also giving food. They contain twice the amount of energy as compared to carbohydrates, butter and cheese, which make fat on meat. Carbohydrate and fat both are the energy giving food. Yes, good tried, Vedansi. Very good. And you have typed a lot. Nice. Both are energy giving food, and fats along with the energy also they keep our body warm. Done. Now move to the question number 3rd. Protein needs present in the food we eat. Why? जो हम खाना खाते हैं उसमें प्रोटीन होना चाहिए. Why? कर्तव्य, try it बेटा. Where you are? Start your video. Why protein is necessary for us? कर्तव्य.
Yes, ma'am.
Proteins are necessary for us.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Question number 3. Proteins need to be in the food we eat. Why? Proteins need to be present in the food we eat because they help in repairing old and damaged cells and healing wounds, making blood, and also giving energy. Okay, that's why they are also known as bodybuilding. Okay. Now question 4. What is balanced diet?
I have the answer.
No one else wants? Yes, give the answer. Yes, Sonakshi.
Ma'am, a diet with all nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet.
Yes, a diet which contains all types of nutrients along in a proper right amount, है ना? In a right or quantity for the requirement of the body. Yes, good. Now, question number 5. Why should we drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day? Yes, Dakshras, unmute yourself. Why should we have 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day?
Ma'am, because water maintains
Yes.
the body temperature.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, because water maintains the body temperature.
Yes. Good.
Ma'am, water
Yes.
contains
Second.
many times of nutrients.
Water contains 3 times of nutrients. No, it's not a correct. Yes, Adiba, second point. Tell me second point, beta.
We need to
Sonakshi.
drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day so
Hmm.
as to enable the body
Hmm. Yes. Good try.
to carry out all the functions properly.
Okay. Sonakshi, you want to try? Sonakshi? Hmm.
Because
We
water
did in our MCQs.
what
5 minutes before we did in a MCQs also. It helps in removing waste from the body, है ना? It helps in removal of waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Okay. So water is also important. It also important because it transports the important substances or the nutrients to all over the. Also helps in transportation of nutrients to all parts of the body. Yes, Vedanshi. Water every day, so is the body carry out all the functions. Food every day, chapati, dal, vegetable. Yes, good try. Good, Vedansi. You can speak also, beta. Unmute yourself. What writing in the chat box, you can speak. Where you are. Unmute yourself, Vedanshi. Yes. Second
ma'am.
question. Second question. Why exercise is important for us? Give the
Ma'am,
answer.
first is may feel energetic and active and maintain a healthy weight. Second is tone our muscles.
One only one. It's okay. 1 second. Yes, Sonakshi. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, because it helps to make a healthy body.
It's okay. Yes, Adiba.
Exercise makes us stay fit.
Yes. Yes, Summer. Unmute yourself. Give the answer. Yes, Summer Singh Rathore. Unmute yourself. Charu, are you interested to give the answer? Unmute yourself. To make feel energetic and active, tone our muscles and make our muscles strong, and to
Ma'am, your
maintain
voice
a
is not
healthy
clear.
weight. My voice is not clear.
Ma'am.
To give our body a graceful and to maintain the healthy weight and to make feel energetic and active. Okay. Oh, so lengthy. Exercise is important as a
Ma'am,
balanced
your
diet.
voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming.
No, ma'am.
Adiba, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Nakshi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me? Okay. Maybe, beta, there will be a connectivity issue from your side. Okay, Vedanshi? Yes, Bhumi, correct answer. Oh, so good to see you all are typing so fast. Good. Now, how are vitamins classified? How are they useful to us? So give the answer. Charu, unmute yourself. Give the answer, Charu. How are vitamins classified?
Ma'am, vitamins
Devesh?
are needed in small quantity.
Huh?
These do not
Yes.
provide energy.
They do not. Okay. Someone else? Devesh Sharma, unmute yourself. Yes, give the answer, Devesh. Yes, Adiva, give the answer.
These help us. These help us fight and
How are vitamins classified? दो groups मैंने बताए थे ना. Vitamins are of two types, है ना? They are
water
grouped into
soluble
the
vitamins and fat soluble vitamins.
Yes, they are classified as water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are Sonakshi.
Ma'am, vitamin A, D, E are some examples of fat soluble vitamins.
Yes.
Ma'am,
A,
vitamins
D,
B and
E,
C
K
are
are
soluble in water.
yes.
Vitamin B and C are water
Are
soluble
the
vitamins.
yes. So the vitamins are classified into two groups: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. How are they useful to us? They are useful to us because they helps to fight diseases and protect us from falling sick and to keep our bones stiff, gums and eyes healthy. Okay. Any question have I left from your book?
Ma'am.
Any question? Any question do you want to arise? Peter goes to sleep at 10 at night and gets up at 5 in the morning. Why? Peter goes to I give the reason.
And you left one question.
Yeah, which question, beta?
Ma'am, question number 8.
What is the question? Read for me.
What is the importance?
Yes. Who wants to give the answer?
Roughage is the fiber present in the food we eat.
Hmm. Yes.
Roughage is the fiber present in the food we eat.
Hmm. In the movement of food, which helps in the movement of food through our
And what is not?
okay, through our digestive system. It also allows proper removal of waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The undigested part of the food which helps move the food through digestive system and for the proper of from the body in form of urine and sweat. Yes, the answer Bhumi. Jitesh. Please unmute yourself. Is the Jitesh. Unmute me. Yes, Jitesh, unmute yourself, beta. Give the answer. What is the importance of roughage in our diet?
What
Yes,
is the
Jitesh.
question?
What is the importance of roughage in our diet? roughage का क्या importance है हमारी diet में?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
correct.
importance of roughage in our diet is
Hmm. Yes. It helps to move food through digestive system
it helps to move our food to digestive system and help us to digest our food.
yes, good. Okay, so I think I have finished the chapter.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
discussed all the course. Have you made the chart? In the last class, I had given a work to make a chart, function and importance of vitamins. You prepared?
Ma'am, I made chart in my
Anybody
copy.
have tips? Yeah, show it to me, beta. Show it to me. Yes. Yes, good. It's a mind map. Good. Good. You have to make a chart that is given in that is book 51, page number 51. Vitamins, function and sources. Okay. Vitamins, functions and sources. On A4 size sheet. Yes, good. Yes. और in a interleaf आप किसी में भी बना सकते हैं, interleaf पेज पे बना कॉपी में और A4 sheet. Okay. Yes, have you show me the yes, good mind map, and you have to prepare the mind map also. Yes, show it to me. Yes, good. Good, Sid. Daksha, show me your copy, beta. Sonakshi, आप लोगों ने mute yourself.